Welcome to this meditation with Quiet Rose. Today, we'll explore the beautiful practice of loving kindness, opening our hearts to compassion and goodwill, beginning with ourselves and extending outward to all beings. This gentle practice helps us cultivate warmth, acceptance, and unconditional love. Find a comfortable seated position where you can remain alert yet relaxed. Allow your spine to be naturally upright, your shoulders soft and at ease. Rest your hands gently in your lap or on your knees, whatever feels most natural. Let your eyes close softly or simply soften your gaze downward. Take a moment to arrive here completely, releasing any urgency from your day. There's nowhere else you need to be right now. This is your time for nurturing kindness and compassion. Let's begin by connecting with your breath. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth, letting go of any tension. Breathe in again, drawing in peace and calm, and breathe out, releasing any stress or worry you might be carrying. One more conscious breath, breathing in with awareness, and breathing out, settling fully into this practice. Now allow your breathing to find its own natural rhythm. Notice how your breath flows without any effort from you, this same life-giving breath that connects you to all living beings. As we begin this loving kindness practice, start by bringing your attention to yourself. Place one or both hands on your heart if that feels comfortable. Feel the gentle warmth of your own touch. This practice begins with offering kindness to yourself, because we can only truly give to others what we've learned to give ourselves. Silently repeat these phrases, allowing them to resonate in your heart. May I be happy. Really let yourself receive this wish for your own happiness. May I be healthy, offering yourself the wish for physical and mental well-being. May I be safe and protected, knowing that you deserve to feel secure and at peace. May I live with ease, wishing yourself a life free from unnecessary struggle and filled with grace. Continue breathing naturally as you repeat these phrases silently to yourself. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be safe and protected. May I live with ease. If your mind wanders, that's completely natural. Simply return to these loving wishes for yourself. Allow these intentions for your own well-being to settle into your heart. Now bring to mind someone you love deeply, someone for whom you feel natural affection and care. This might be a family member, a dear friend, a beloved pet, or anyone who brings a smile to your heart. Picture this being clearly in your mind, feeling the love you have for them. Extend the same loving wishes to them. May you be happy, sending them your heartfelt wish for their joy and contentment. offering them your care for their well-being. May you be safe and protected, surrounding them with your loving concern for their safety. May you live with ease, wishing them a life of peace and freedom from suffering. Allow these loving intentions to flow from your heart to theirs. Feel the connection between you, this bond of love and care. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe and protected. May you live with ease. Rest in this feeling of love and connection for a few moments. Now bring to mind someone neutral, someone you neither particularly like nor dislike. This might be a cashier you see regularly, a neighbor you rarely speak with, someone you encountered recently but don't know well. Picture this person in your mind, recognizing them as a fellow human being who, just like you, wants to be happy and free from suffering. Extend the same loving wishes to this person. May you be happy, recognizing their basic human desire for joy. May you be healthy, acknowledging their need for well-being. May you be safe and protected, seeing them as deserving of safety and peace. May you live with ease, wishing them freedom from struggle. Expanding your circle of compassion beyond those closest to you. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe and protected. May you live with ease. Now, if it feels right for you today, bring to mind someone with whom you have difficulty, someone who has hurt you or whom you find challenging. This part of the practice can feel difficult, so be gentle with yourself. Start with someone only mildly difficult, rather than someone who has caused you great pain. Offering loving kindness doesn't mean condoning harmful actions. It means recognizing that all beings have the capacity for goodness, and that holding anger only hurts yourself. If this feels too challenging today, you can skip this step or return to sending kindness to someone you love. If you choose to continue, visualize this person and offer these wishes. May you be happy, recognizing that their happiness doesn't diminish yours. Acknowledging their basic human need for well-being. May you be safe and protected, seeing beyond your conflict to their fundamental humanity. May you live with ease, wishing them freedom from the suffering that may cause them to act in hurtful ways. If resistance arises, that's completely normal. Simply notice it with kindness and return to the phrases when you're ready. This practice of forgiveness and compassion is a gift you give yourself. Finally, expand your circle of loving kindness to include all beings everywhere. Picture in your mind all living beings, people in your community, in your country, across the world, all animals, all forms of life. Recognize that every being wants to be happy and free from suffering, just as you do. May all beings be happy, sending love to every creature across the earth. May all beings be healthy, wishing well-being for all forms of life. May all beings be safe and protected, surrounding our world with compassion and care. May all beings live with ease, envisioning a world free from suffering for all. Feel your heart expanding to include all of existence in your loving wishes. May all beings be happy. May all beings be healthy. May all beings be safe and protected. May all beings live with ease. Rest in this expansive feeling of universal love and compassion, allowing it to fill your entire being. Take a moment to appreciate the beautiful practice you've just completed. You've opened your heart to yourself, to those you love, to neutral people, perhaps to those who challenge you, and to all beings everywhere. This loving kindness is always available to you. It lives within your heart and can be accessed anytime you need it. Begin to bring your attention back to your physical surroundings. Notice your breath, your body, the space around you. Feel how this practice has affected you. Perhaps a sense of warmth, openness, or peace in your heart. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes, awakening your body slowly. When you feel ready, take a deep breath and softly open your eyes, carrying this loving kindness with you into your day. May you continue to be a source of love and compassion in this world. Thank you for sharing this practice with me.